Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to create a credit note in Zoho Books quickly and easily. Credit notes are super useful when you need to issue a refund or adjust an invoice, so let's get right into it. First, log into your Zoho Books account and head over to the dashboard. On the left side, click on Sales and then choose Credit Notes. Next, click on Create New Credit Note. A form will pop up where you just need to fill in the customer details, the original invoice number, the reason for the credit, and the amount. Make sure everything is correct because these details are important for both you and your client. Once you've reviewed the details, simply hit Save or Submit, and that's it. Your credit note is created in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick guides like this one.